Good evening, dear students. Today we will discuss line graph comprehension, and this is for 14th of October 2021. So, in this line graph, it represents number of books sold. जितनी बुक्स बिक चुकी हैं वो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वर्टिकल रिप्रेजेंट की गई हैं 0 से लेकर 140 तक, एंड एट द बॉटम वीक्स आर रिप्रेजेंटेड 1 से लेकर 8 तक कि इतने वीक्स में इतनी बुक्स हैं जो सोल्ड हुई हैं, बिकी हैं जो उनकी. सो लाइक इन द फर्स्ट वीक 60 बुक्स आर सोल्ड, okay, and second week 120, in the third week 120, in the fourth week 90 books are there, and in fifth 90 books, and in sixth 60 books are there, and in seventh of week 90 books are there, and in eighth of week, that is least number of books are there, only 10 books are sold. So let we see the questions and we will solve these. So first question is, the least number of books have been sold in the 8th week. What is the number? Okay, like you have seen here, this is the 8th week and the least number is books are there, so only 10 books are sold. Okay, कितनी बुक्स बिकी हैं जो 8th वीक है उसमें only 10 बुक्स. So question number 2, in 2 consecutive weeks the number of sales is 120 each. These 2 weeks are, तो 2 weeks में 120 बुक्स सोल्ड हुई हैं. तो वो कौन कौन से 2 weeks हैं? Let we see here. This is 120, and in this week and in this week 120 books are sold. So these are the weeks of second and third. Okay, second and third. A option is the correct answer. So next is question number 3. What is the total number of books sold in the last 3 weeks? So last 3 weeks are here. Okay, so one is 6th, one is 7th, and one is 8th. In the 6th week there is 60 books, and in the 7th week there is 90 books, and in the 8th there is 10 books. So total is 0 and 160. Okay, so D option is a correct answer. Okay, third question, D option is the correct answer. 160 books sold in the week 6th, 7th, 8th, or you can say last 3 weeks. So question number 4, what is the difference between the number of books sold in the second week and in the 6th week? Okay, दूसरे और 6th week में जो बुक्स सोल्ड हुई हैं उनमें क्या डिफरेंस है? Okay, so let we see here. In the second week there is 120 books sold, and in the 6th week there is only 60 books are sold. Okay, so the minus is only 60 books are sold. So let we see the answers in question number 4. Option C, option C has a 60 number of books. Question number 5, how many books in the 4th week the number of books sold is? तो 4th week में कितनी बुक्स सोल्ड हुई हैं? Okay, so let we see in the graph, and in the 4th week, this is the 4th week, and this number of books are sold. Okay, so 90 books are sold. Okay, how many books are sold? 90. Okay, so let we see in the option. A option is the 90 books are there, so A is the correct answer. So let we discuss all the answers again. Let we mark the answers. So in the first question, the least number 10 books were there, B option. In the 2 consecutive weeks the number of sale is 120 each, The 2 weeks are second and third. What is the total number of books sold in the last 3 weeks? So that is 160. What is the difference between the number of books sold in the second week and in the sixth week? Okay, तो डिफरेंस कितना था उनका 60 बुक्स का. एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज fourth week number of books sold is 90 books. Okay, so these were the correct answers of this comprehension. So hopefully you understood this. So those are the new students on this channel. Please like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel to get more updated videos. Thank you. Have a wonderful day to all of you.